Hey, welcome to the Beers Jack of Barbecue. Check out the prime pork chops we cook on the Mesa 420 MF. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera, Jack. Got three nice pork chops, one for me, one for Jack, one for my wife for today. And we hit it in advance here with Grillaholics SPG with smoke. It's called Twisted, so it has some smoke to it. Since we're cooking on a gas grill, see what kind of flavor that gives to that. We're also going to be utilizing the Meat Stick 5. As I mentioned before, and another cook is a lot of sticks can't handle a gas grill when there's flare-ups. This thing goes to 1200 degrees, so let's get these on the grill. All right, I have everything on low and it's right around 400 degrees here. You see how the meat stick inserted here. Just going to start warming them up. Or start cooking them. Like I said, I have everything on. All the burners are on low, so we're just going to monitor this thing as it cooks. We're going to be shooting for about 145. All right, so we just got towards 115 here. I'm just going to flip them around. Oh, that looks nice. That looks really nice, actually. So we are shooting, like I said, for about 145. So we'll just keep monitoring these things, but so far looking good. All right, I was just pre-checking some temperatures. I wanted to make sure we're going to be done with these things. And the smaller one here is looking like, oh, thought I had a better temperature than that on it. But that one's coming off. This one might be done as well then. Now Jack is my witness here. I just did these and I was getting in the higher 130s. So that was 142. I think we're going to pull them all off. If we can show the target of my fingers there. All right, we'll see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are into the cook. Prime pork chops on the Monument Grills 420 MF. Had it to about 110 or so before we flipped them. Checked some readings and we were a little low, I thought, and all of a sudden checked again and we seemed to be high, so I pulled them. So gonna cut into this thing, see where we're at, but the grill itself did a nice job cooking these things. Hopefully we hit this pretty good and this just be a nice white center and we're not overdone. Good thing with a prime pork chop, the amount of fat content, yeah, that looks good. The amount of fat content, even if you miss it by a little bit, you're gonna be fine. Hit advanced with Grillaholics SPG Twisted, so it's SPG and some smoke flavor. I do taste a small hint of it. I don't know if pork chop's the ideal one to use that on, but figured we try it. So hopefully like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell, get notifications, and we'll see you next time.